guys, you would have heard about the coffee face pack or coffee serum, but have you heard about the facial spa coffee exfoliator? I think so, no. So girls, today I'm going to tell you how to make facial spa exfoliator with the coffee. Yes, I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video about facial spa exfoliator. Let's talk about the benefits of this facial spa exfoliator. I'm going to tell you what it will do to your skin. It will tighten your skin, it will brighten up your skin, and it will give you a super radiant skin. It will also rejuvenate your skin cells, and it will improve your skin quality and leave you with a brighter and radiant complexion. It will de-stress, it will cool down, it will remove your tan, and it will detox your skin. It has so many benefits guys that I cannot tell you also. As we know, coffee gives us a bright and radiant skin, and it will also give your skin a very smooth and radiant complexion to your skin. And about the almond, I don't need to tell you guys how beneficial it is for the skin and also for the body. So the ingredients today I'm going to use this are almond, coffee, and coconut oil. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grind this almond. And so here I have grinded this almonds, and now the next step what I'm going to do is take a bowl. I have took an empty bowl, and what I'm going to do next is I will take 1 tablespoon of this crushed almond. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon of this. And now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of coffee powder in it. So I'm putting 1 tablespoon of coffee powder in it. I've put 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, and now what I'm going to do is mix it well so that now after adding some more ingredients to it, it won't get any leftover or something like that. So I'm mixing it well. And now what next ingredient I'm going to use, the magical ingredient I will say, the next ingredient that I will use is coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil I'm going to use in it. So 1 tablespoon of coconut oil I'm going to put in it. I'm taking little. It is 1 tablespoon, and now I'm going to mix it well. And now after mixing it well, I'm going to show you how to use it and what result you will get after using it. So I'm going to apply this to my hand, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, you have to wash your face with cold water, and then you have to apply this exfoliator to your skin. So guys, now I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to show you. First you have to apply it on your skin, and then you have to exfoliate for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'm exfoliating it. And what next you have to do, you have to keep it for 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to keep it for 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you the result. After 5 minutes you have to wash your hand, or if you apply on your face after 5 minutes, wash your face, and you will definitely going to see the best of the result and the best of the brightening skin you have ever seen. So I'm keeping it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I will wash it, and I'm going to show you how my skin looks. So guys, I have washed my hand and you can see how glowing and how brightening my skin looks. So guys, if you liked it, definitely give it a try at your home, and please share my video if you want your friends also to try it. As you can see, my skin has turned very bright and glowing within some minutes after applying this exfoliator. You can also give it a try at your home. And guys, if you like it, please hit the bell button and also subscribe to my channel and press the like button also. And I'm telling you guys, this will give very effective result. Do try it at home and you will definitely love it. So guys, thank you and stay blessed.